Compaction of concrete. Why we need to vibrate concrete? Why we need to compact concrete? Method of compacting concrete. Foam vibration, surface vibration, internal vibrations, rebar shaker, concrete vibrating table, best practices in concrete compaction or concrete vibrating. Improper vibration issues. All these and much more will be discussed today. I am Prasad from Structural Guide. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. You may get the notification on new videos. Why vibration of concrete is important? It reduces the voids in the concrete, or it reduces the air entrapped in the concrete. Generally, 5 to 8% air is entrapped in the concrete due to the mixing process and all that. So we will need to remove that air. We need to reduce that air content. And also we use vibration to consolidate the concrete adequately. To avoid segregation, we do the vibration. To avoid bleeding, we do the vibration. Concrete vibration methods. Foam vibration, surface vibration, internal vibration, rebar vibration, and concrete vibration table. All those will be discussed today in detail. Foam vibration. Vibration of the foam work will be done. Mostly we use this method when the other methods are not applicable. The vibrators are fixed into the foam work, then the foam work will be vibrated. With that we are going to compact the concrete. In this process we have to make sure the vibration is adequate. You do the vibration for adequate trial. This may be done with the trial methods. Mostly we use this method in precast element concreting, tunnel lining concreting, because in the tunnel lining you can't put the poker into the concrete lining. Inside the lining you can't put the poker, it's very difficult. In such a case we use the foam of vibration. In large concrete also we use this method. Surface vibration. In this method we vibrate the concrete surface for the get the compaction of the concrete. This is not applicable for thick concrete. It may be limited to 150 to 250 millimeter thick concretes. Due to this limited depth, we may use for the vibrating concrete in slabs, or maybe road construction with the concrete. We may use this method. Adequate density and hardness is required, because you can't move this machine over the concrete surface if it is not adequately hardened. Very high workable concrete, we may not be able to apply this method. Internal vibration. This is the most frequently and most widely used and most known method in the construction industry. This is very easy. There are machines work from the fuel, or there are electric machines also there. So this is the one of the oldest method, and also this is very easy to handle, and also this is very simple. This method is also called the poker vibrator. Rebar shaker. This is used in special occasions. You can see here in this figure, the machine is fixed into the rebar, then you will vibrate in the rebar. With that the concrete in that area will be compacted. This is very special method, and you can't fix the rebar fixes always or everywhere. So these are used in special occasions. Also, when we can't adopt other methods, we may use this method. For example, in a small area, if you can't put the poker in there, you may use this kind of a method. This is can it be we can't use for the very large concrete. It's not way to do it. Concrete vibrating table. This table is shaking, so this is also can be used to vibrate the concrete or the compact. The ultimate goal of the vibrating of concrete is to get the adequate compaction of the concrete, and also to get the other benefit that we discussed previously. So this is mostly used in the precast construction, precast construction industry. Best practices in concrete compaction or the concrete vibration. So I have listed almost all the things that we need to consider. So you may read this in detail. I will discuss this the content I have put it here. The concrete could be vibrated about 10 to 15 seconds. This skill of the operator is highly depend on this compaction of the concrete and the quality of the concrete we get after vibrating. The overlap the previous circle with the new circle is every time we have to do it. It's very important. Overlapping is very important because otherwise, if you may vibrate the concrete, part of the concrete may vibrate at the top layer, other layer it's no vibration and also no proper connection between these two layers. So you have to overlap always. The layers shall be vibrate in a manner that they are overlap. The poke vibrator shall be at least insert into the 150 millimeter into the other layer. Vibration could be stopped when the entrapped air is no large scale. So one of the purpose of this vibration is to remove the entrapped air. So when you feel that, that's actually come from the experience and skill. So when you feel that it's have removed almost all the entrapped air, so you have to stop the vibration. Pulling out the poker vibrator could be done not more than 75 millimeter per second. This is very important. If you get it past, there will be issues. The ideal of pulling out the poker vibrator is 25 millimeter per second. That also we have to keep in mind. The vibration shall not be used to move the concrete from one location to another location. This is very incorrect method. We have seen some of the people during the construction they use the poker vibrator to move the concrete. That is not best practice. There will be issues like segregation and other issues will be there. Improper vibration issues. This is very important to us. If you don't do the concrete vibration improperly, there will be issues. Definitely there will be issues related to the strength. And there are many more issues. Having entrapped air in the concrete increase the voids. It reduces the density of the concrete. It increases the porosity of the concrete. So the increase in the porosity will be issues to us. It directly connect with the durability of the structure. As a result, concrete permeability will be increased. It could affect the durability of the concrete. In addition, it could lead to corrosion of the reinforcement. Now, higher the porosity in the concrete, it is easy to penetrate anything into the concrete. For example, carbon dioxide, carbonation process, carbon dioxide need to penetrate into the concrete, the carbon process will be speed up, then the carbonation front will reach the reinforcement very easily and very fast. If the concrete porous, then corrosion of the reinforcement could occur. The formation of honeycomb, especially in areas with reinforcement congestion, could be there. So if you have a highly congested reinforcement area, you have to be careful and you have to do adequate vibration with the close inspection and close supervision. Otherwise, internal cavities may be there or else formation of honeycomb that's appear in the to the outside will be there. Sand striking caused by heavy bleeding or mortar losses could also be there. The appearance of placement of line. Now, when you put for the one layer, then thereafter you put the another layer on the top of that. If you don't overlap those two layers by vibrating, there may be sometimes you can see that this placement line in the concrete surface that could affect the appearance of the concrete also, and also improper vibration also there may be some other issues also. Formation of the chord joint that also could occur, but this is related with the other parameters as well, like set-in time. They are connected to set-in time also. So therefore, but if the two surfaces are separated, there may be a joint. Therefore, it is always advisable to overlap the vibration when you do the concrete vibration. Also, there may be subsidence cracking on the concrete due to the improper vibration of the concrete. Therefore, it's very important to do the concrete vibration. It's very important to note that it's directly related to the concrete strength, directly related to the concrete durability. The most important the things are the strength and the durability of the concrete. Therefore, you must do the vibration correctly and adequately as possible method by using a possible method. With that, we end the today discussion. Today we discussed about concrete vibration, why concrete vibration is important, methods available for the concrete vibrations, best practices in concrete vibration, what are the best method you need to follow in concrete vibrations, and the consequences of improper vibration of the concrete. Let's meet again from another video. Thank you very much.